Today we're looking at a very clean 2007 Suzuki Drz 400 SM Supermoto. This bike has a lot of mods done to it, and I would say this bike is a 9.5 out of a 10. It's a KRC full motor build from top to lower. It's a 440 big bore kit. It has a bigger intake, a bigger carb, a YOSHI exhaust, has factory connection suspension, has bark busters, has brand new tires on it, has XL wider black rims, has a spoke rim kit on it. This bike is very clean. It's much faster than a stock OEM bike. If you're looking for a Supermoto, this is the one you want. The mods on this bike are a total of almost $4,000 just for the modifications. Let's fire it up. High beam, low beam, left directional, right directional, horn. It's got a full YOSHI exhaust from the header back. Let's rev it up. It sounds sweet. Left directional, right directional, brake light. Foot brake. Excellent. Just shut her off. You can come on down to Superfly Motorsports at 838 North Main Street, Thomaston, Connecticut. Our phone number is 860-283-4100. You can like us on Facebook. If you'd like to view all of our pre-owned motorcycles, you can go to superflymotorsports.com. Have a great day and see you soon.